Okay, we have a video with a different note today. It's my grandmother's 90th birthday. So we do a little parade. I just wanted to show this real quick. A setup my sister did for her. Planned this thing out. Came out pretty cool. When we actually get to the video of the parade, you really don't see any of this stuff. So got some pictures there. Got some little handout that my niece hands out during the parade. We got a couple of three Rykers make it to this, and a motorcycle and a bunch of cars. Thrillmousemoto. You can see me setting up here ready to take off to go stage with the rest of the parade goers, and you can hear Eduardo enter new player coming up 15 minutes late behind me, of course. Shout out to everyone who has friends like Eduardo.
You leaving right now?
Look, leaving right now.
To the school behind the neighborhood over at Marissa's.
Leaving right now. You got one just like him, but hey, he's there, right? We head out over there and we stage in the back of my grandmother's neighborhood, and we actually get pretty lucky on that because it's a little school back there, so we're able to meet the rest of my family. It's most of my family around town and not too far off in other little towns and cities and stuff. We pile up over there and we get some decorations done and just get ready. It's basically just a drive-by. I've never done it before. I've seen other people post videos and stuff. I've seen stuff on social media where people for their birthdays, during the pandemic stuff, it's this cool way to celebrate a birthday, and it'd be a drag not to celebrate, a 90th birthday somehow. So my sister came up with it. Ended up being pretty fun. Eduardo's Buell, 95. I believe. I don't know the actual name of it, but we'll get to see it here in a second. I shoot a little bit of it. It's kind of sticker bomb style going on. Mad Max mix kind of fits his style pretty good. It's actually a hydrographic dip that he did with it. It's like a all Deadpool theme. It's pretty sweet. He actually comes in and then jets off, and he's like, I gotta go run and do something real quick. And it's like, what? The parade's only like a minute, dude. Hang tight. Takes off on us. That's the closest look I ended up getting out of it. It was like real windy, so I cut the audio out of it. We were like in a tunnel pretty much around this little school. Kind of just pull off and meet up the rest of the guys. Ryan's supposed to meet up after work, and we get little decorations on our Ryker. Kevin comes through on his 900 too.
There's something that can just hang from it, but it looks like stuff you gotta tape onto it.
Well, yeah, you gotta tape. Well, it has.
Yeah, I'm not too stoked about taping stuff to my Ryker.
No. We don't claim it. No.
Yeah, it's a whole family of people that kind of sound like me. You probably noticed.
No.
Well,
Ryan,
the better people get
out of work,
or what?
got his Amazon gear still on.
Do what?
Nothing. We're just talking about you. Man,
I'm glad I got here, man. I finally hit 100.
Oh, well,
I was going that slight downhill.
On 35?
The 18-wheelers kind of were like.
On 35?
Yeah. Finally hit it.
You went downhill enough on 35 to
hit 100, finally. Took 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Damn it. See, I thought we'd be able to do that on the toll, but all I got was 95.
What was all those cars around me were kind of the tailwind was.
Oh, so you were shaking bacon,
I was like,
is what it was.
I lowered my head, I'm
He
like
was dragging himself behind a tractor trailer.
Yeah.
99, and I was like, oh.
You had a shake and bake 18-wheeler is what happened.
They're like, oh.
I'm not gonna ride it.
Yeah, so if you're wondering, why your Amazon packages aren't getting.
I just thought I made it.
Oh,
Look at that G.
This isn't even on. Who put this? Brenda, just shove that in there. Can you throw that in there, Craig? Thank you.
Craig walking around like that. That old man from Up in the house in the balloons. I came up to him like, dude, who turned 90? Dude, you? Nah, he just had like a surgery on his leg. And then look who comes back. That one friend, Eduardo. Look at him. Hey, but he made it, right?
you're riding
The
it?
whole rubber thing shaking. Something's not right with it still.
Oh. You think there's still something from when you messed that wheel up?
That's bad.
What? Oh, it's like, yeah.
Oh man, here we go. That's the light kit.
Mhm.
I have that light kit.
Oh, the more
Yeah, you'll hear Kevin mention that a few times. One time he was forced to curb his 900, and he still kind of has issues with it. We kind of go through in each video. Trying to get a good shot of the lineup. There's still some more cars that end up coming. Ryan practicing some maneuvers for the parade.
Ride like this.
Right, like this.
And Jean-Claude Van Damme. I don't do it, don't worry.
Yeah, we can do it. We can do it.
That's a popular one.
That's a very popular pose.
Gotta get that Captain Morgan in there.
I've yet to have done that on mine. We've done like everything else you could do on these things.
You do the sexy pose.
Yeah.
I wonder if you could do like the cartwheel. Wait.
Yeah.
Superman.
Yeah, do that. Put it in eco mode though. Eco mode.
You hit the brakes.
Eco mode. Is that what we're gonna do? We're gonna park in front and switch Rykers? It's like, or while they're rolling.
Yeah, right here. You
What?
can see it. This would be a light, and that
Oh
would be a
yeah,
light,
yeah.
and that would be a light.
It
So
looks-
all these empty spots would be the lights.
So I'd have to take my shields off
Yeah.
to do that, but
Well, you can still have mine. It's just
no, because they take those spots. See?
oh, they do. Okay.
Eduardo just went bulletproof.
You ain't going anywhere. It turns out.
Eduardo just went full 50 Cent. G unit.
Eduardo gave me these little, what do they call them, nightlight things? What do you call them things? These like brake sticks that go off. But I got my Ryker flare, my parade flare going on there. And of course we get some bell action. But yeah, way fun. Like I said, first time doing it, I'm pretty sure this far in this little pandemic we got going on. You probably participated in a few of them. But doing it in the Ryker was pretty cool. A lot of people enjoyed seeing us. They actually end up joining the parade too, like in the back. Those little bicycle ladies. There's just stuff falling off all the
It's
cars.
like you got toilet paper stuck on your leg. You got toilet paper on your shoes.
Pass by her yet?
Where did Eduardo go?
On his battery died.
Like on the bike?
Like I said, we all got that friend, right? So all that, getting there late, leaving, coming back, and now his
Yeah.
bike's dead. It's like a 1 minute ride too.
Yeah, Eduardo hit the pits, dude.
Then I ended up hearing somebody calling me from behind. And there he is. like Fred Flintstone and his bike all the way up in line or something. So. That one motorcycle guy, am I right, Ryker guys out there? Come on. If he only had 3 wheels, right? But hey, he putted himself all the way over there. So. My niece Kendall passing out the goodies. There's actually chocolate in there, and if you own a Ryker, you're already familiar what happens to that chocolate when I put it in the front. And there she is, the birthday girl, 90 years old. And of course, I'm her favorite grandson. Her only grandson. Yeah, and if you're thinking about Eduardo, we actually forgot all about it.
Get back in line.
Yeah. I'm gonna ride again.
Yeah, we're terrible friends. More stuff just falling off. My dad out there picking it up. I would say big little mouse, but he's like shorter than me, so we call him old little mouse.
Get more swag.
Kevin was disappointed because he was using everyone's runoff decorations to decorate himself. Still being mindful, keeping the neighborhood clean. We're not like those people that decorate those trees on the side of the road for Christmas and then, you know, January comes around and you see that crap still on there. Just coming back around to regroup. I mean, that's really it. That's it. If you've never participated in one of these birthday parades, you can just drive by at the end.
He's a beauty pageant winner.
I don't know why. That sounded like Pee Wee Herman when I did that.
How many HP does that give you?
That's at least 2.
About 2.3?
Buy again.
2.3 horses from this?
Yeah. Your buddy ran out of gas.
Is that what it was? I thought you said something about his battery.
I thought his battery. He was saying something about his battery.
So do we have to check on?
I've been cooking cornbread in there.
Do we need to save Eduardo or what's going on?
Oh, that's nice of you. I was just thinking.
You got a jerry can?
I just rolled it in.
Oh, is he like waiting for us over there?
No. He's just out of gas.
Well, what did he do? Just park it or?
I have no idea. You want to go spin over there and see what he's doing?
Yeah.
Look at him.
We were just coming to check on you. So what happened?
I ran out of gas.
So we need to go get you some gas?
I went to my brother's house and poured some in.
You don't have a gauge on it?
No.
Alright, thanks. I'll let you.
Peace out, Eduardo. Yeah, he's cool for coming. Everyone's cool for coming. Had 3 Rykers out there. Kevin made it out there. Ryan made it out of work just in time. Giving one last shout to the birthday girl when we take off. But man, that was a cool day. It's quick, get it over with. Lots of people came out. Ended up seeing the video later. This one here, we just kind of staged there. My sister put it. Had police escort. Look at that. Look at her. My sister told her it was only gonna be like 4 cars, and it's like all these cars just kept coming and coming. And then I said Rykers, motorcycles, bicycles. Got Kendall there, just throwing them through people's windows, getting some social distancing there, honoring all that. Got the Rykers coming through. It was a good day. I mean, she liked it, and that was the biggest thing. That little TV had like a little video playing that my sister made of some photos. It was a pretty nice day. Thanks for watching.
Where do you put your beer? Hey, that's supposed to lead first. Oh yeah, I can do this.